Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on -7's formula of mixed complement. Okay, where I'm going to apply this formula, where I will not have enough beats to do -7. Okay, and yes, the formula is same as the big friends formula, but the way we are going to apply it is different. Let's see how. B row will start. A row is your homework. Okay, B row first. Add 10, add 4, -7. How I told you, the way we are going to apply it is different. Let's see how different. My formula for -7 is what? -10 and +3. So -10 done. Can I do +3 now? No. So I will apply the formula for 3, that is +5 -2. What did I do basically? I was applying the formula of -7. But when I was applying the formula of -7 also, we got stuck in doing 3 because we didn't have beats for 3. Like we didn't have beats for -7. So in -7 formula also, we applied the formula of 3 and then we completed the question. Okay. Now +2, my answer is 9. Next, add 12, add 2, -7. Again, no beats for -7, so -10 +3. No beats for +3, so +5 -2. Now +5, no beats for +5, so +10 -5. Very easy, guys, okay? Some questions you do fast, some questions you understand, right? Next, 11, 3, -7. Again, no beats for -7, so -10 +3. No beats for +3, so +5 -2. Then again -7, my answer is 0. Next, 17, -5, -7. No beats for -7. So formula of -7, -10 +3. No beats for +3. So +5 -2. Now +5. Do I have beats for 5? No. So formula of 5, +10 -5. My final answer is 10. Next, 14, -2, -7. Do I have beats to do -7? No. So my formula of -7, -10 +3. Do I have beats to do +3? No. So formula for +3, +5 -2, and then +4. Something that we are able to add easily, we'll add it easily. Something that is giving us problem in adding, we'll apply the formula and make a solution out of it, right? Now, Aero is your homework. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, complete the homework and drop the answers in the comments. Okay? Bye-bye.